Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is February 18th, 2025, and we're conducting a comprehensive analysis of the USDJPY pair, examining both current market events and the candlestick chart data. Recent news suggests increased bets on an imminent Bank of Japan (BOJ) rate rise, potentially limiting further yen appreciation. Multiple sources, including FX Street and City Index, highlight the USDJPY pair's recent activity, with the yen having retreated after touching a one-week high. The widening US-Japan yield differentials are also fueling fresh upside momentum. News articles from various sources such as CNBC and Investing.com indicate uncertainty and fluctuations in the market, reflecting a mixed outlook among investors. Let's examine the daily chart's longer-term trend. We observe some periods of consolidation and sideways movement, along with several instances of price increases and decreases. The volume associated with some of these price movements may offer further insights into market sentiment. We can see a possible support level around 145.00, as suggested by Rabobank and confirmed on our chart. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart to look at shorter-term price fluctuations. The hourly chart presents a more granular view of the price action, showing intraday reversals and the immediate support and resistance levels. Analyzing the hourly chart gives a better understanding of momentum and potential entry and exit points for day traders. Zooming into a specific period on the one-hour chart can provide insights into recent market behavior. For instance, the period between insert specific timestamps, e.g., October 20th, 2023 and October 24th, 2023, showcases a clear upward trend in the USDJPY pair. We can also observe notable support and resistance levels within this narrower time frame. Correlating this with news from that period may highlight specific catalysts or market drivers. The candlestick patterns, such as doji or hammer formations, which are present within this region, may offer additional clues on market sentiment. Finally, let's look at the 15-minute chart to see the most recent changes and identify the short-term price swings and potential scalping opportunities. The 15-minute chart shows very short-term fluctuations, very useful for scalpers, along with very short-term support and resistance levels. The candlestick patterns, volume changes, and the presence of any significant gaps can offer traders insights into the immediate market sentiment. In summary, the USDJPY pair presents a complex picture. News and events indicate possible upward movement due to anticipated BOJ rate hikes and yield differentials, but chart patterns suggest caution. Key support levels to watch for are around 145.00 and 151.00 on the daily and hourly charts respectively, while resistance levels are less defined and would require additional technical indicators to determine accurately. The likelihood of these price movements occurring will depend on whether or not the BOJ raises interest rates and the release of new macroeconomic news from Japan and the US. Short-term predictions remain uncertain, although the presence of recent upward momentum and the potential for BOJ action suggest the price might test resistance levels before a potential pullback. Long-term trends are more difficult to predict, but a sustained break above 153.38 on the daily chart could signal a significant bullish shift. Traders should continuously monitor the news and economic data for any shifts and look for confirmation on various timeframes before taking any position.